Okay, welcome to today's video. A good morning. Today we are going to design a flyer to advertise the car repair services in PowerPoint. Okay, you open your PowerPoint. I'll cancel this. Now the first thing we are going to do is to set our paper. This is an A4 paper size. You need to change that in PowerPoint. All you have to do, you go to the design, you go to slide size, custom slide size, and here in the drop down you choose A4 paper. Then make sure that you make the slide to be in a portrait orientation, then click OK. You can leave it maximize. Now we need to change the layout so that we remove these text boxes. You can right click outside the paper, inside the paper, you go to layout, you scroll down and click blank so that you have a plain paper. Then the next thing we are going to set is the background. This is kinda a dark gray, but we are going to use color codes like the hex. To add a background, you go to design, format background. Here to pop you with the format background window, you choose solid fill. Then here you go under the color picker, click it, then you go to more colors, go to custom color. Now here under the hex, you're going to write there ash 16 17 17. Then you press enter and we have our background. Then we are going to add these circles. These are two circles. One is in the background, one is in front of this this circle. To do that, you go to insert, under shapes, you add an oval, you draw it, can maximize it. Okay, I'll bring it there, I'll leave it there. Then I'm going to change this circle to a blue. Click it, under here the format shape. If you don't see this window, you can always right click in your shape, you go to format shape to open this window. I'm interested in the fill and line. I go under the fill, click solid fill, come here under the color picker. You can either use red or you can use my hex. I go back to more colors, then I go to custom. Under the hex, I'm going to use ash 9D 0F13, and I press OK. Now you can notice my line is kinda blue. I also need to change that. You come here under the line, make it to no line. Then we are going to insert another circle that is going to house our picture. You can go back to insert shapes, then you click oval and then you draw back that oval, or you can duplicate this same shape by clicking it. You long press the control button on your keyboard, then you have an option of you move that shape outside and you have a duplicate of the same shape and the same size. I'll change the color so that I can see where I'm going to move it. I try to move it to bring this curve somewhere like there. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to add this picture. I'll click this, I go under the format shape, or you can right click and go to format shape. Under the fill, we are going to fill this shape with a picture. You select picture or texture fill, then you go under the picture source, you click on insert, locate for your picture where you saved it. Mine, I saved it in downloads under the folder called flyer 2. Then I'll expand this so that I can see the picture. I'll choose this card.png, I insert it, and it will appear like that. Then I want to add this line, a quiet line, or the border of the shape. I click on my shape, I go under fill and line, click it, then I minimize this fill, I maximize this line, I choose a solid line. Then here under the color, I will use, you can use either white or you can use my hex. I'll use my hex, click more colors, go to custom, I use my white, which is Kinder, it is FF, it is B5, B6, then BA. Yeah, that color. Click OK. Then one thing, it is too small, we can't see it, it doesn't look the same way like this. We need to increase this width. You come here, then you can give it like 13 pt to bring out that line. If you are finished, to work on that. Let's see. Okay, you go with that. Then we are going to add these hex shapes. These are hex. This is an hexagon. You go back to insert, under shapes, you look for an hexagon. It's found under the basic shapes. This is an hexagon. Click it, come and draw it. Make it somehow big, bring it close to that. Okay, then I'll duplicate it, click it, long press on my control on the keyboard, I move this somewhere like there, and I move this somewhere like there, but I have that design. Then I'm going to change the picture, the shape fill, and also the line to look like this. I'll click this one, I go under the shape fill, picture, insert, bruise, then I'll go to the image 1. I'll choose image 1, insert, also change this one, choose image 2, choose this one, choose image 3. Okay, then I'm going to change the shape line, increase the width and also the color. This red is the same red we use and in this shape, this circle. Click it, go under the shape fill and line, minimize, and I'll expand the line. Choose this red in the recent colors called already recorded. Click it, then increase the width to like 3 pt. 3, let's see, give it like 8. Yeah. Now these ones, it is the same white or the gray I use in this outline. Click it, go under the line, choose this gray, increase the width to 8 pt, and so on to this one. Okay, I need to create some space. That. Okay, of something like that. Then we need to add this this heading, car repair services. Okay, I'll try to move this a bit, here. I'll insert a text box to add this. Go to insert, text box, come and click there, then you write car repair. Then I need to change the color to white. I click on the border of this text box, go under the font, choose the color to this. Now also increase the font height a bit, like 60. Make it bold. Okay, that's enough. Then I'll add this kind of this red. It might not come out like this, but you can do it. Click that, you go under shape format, you go under the text or art styles, click on the effects, go under the glow, go to glow options. Under here the glow options, you are going to choose the color, a bit of this red. Then you are going to reduce the size, something like that, or like 2. Then the transparency, you can reduce it. Let me bring it to 1. I think that's it. Yeah, let me leave it to 1. Then I'm going to duplicate this. I click in Control, bring it down. Then this one is services. Bring it there. Okay. Then we are going to add these words: experience in motion, experience seamlessly. It's also, I'm going to duplicate this, and I'll reduce the font size. I'll remove the boldness. So efficiency in motion, experience seamless. Change it to efficiency. Now duplicate this. Car repair services tailored to you. Bit there. Okay, that's done. Then the space might not be enough. I want to reduce on this. Them a bit small. Okay. Now move these ones up. Okay. Out this text box. I'll just duplicate this. Our services. Okay. Then I'll duplicate this, but this one doesn't have that glow effect, which means I will need to remove it. Text effects, glow, make it to none. Then I'll add the bullets. Go to home, click these bullets, say all changes, press enter, paste and repair. Just press enter and you write all of them. Okay, that's finished. Kinder, bit away from there, Kinder up, move it like there, and I'll try to increase their font size like 16. Okay, then let's go to this discount 50%. Now this shape, it's a rectangle with rounded corners. You go to insert, you go under shapes, go under the rectangles group, choose that rectangle with rounded corners, come and draw it. And after drawing it, we need to set the background or the shape fill to no fill so that it takes the background of its parent. Then also the line to this red and also increase the width. I choose that, go under the shape format, under the fill, click no fill, under the line, choose this red, and also increase the bit like 3, yeah, get something like that. Then to add these, you can, there are a lot of ways, but the simplest way is to right click here on the shape and go to edit text. Then I'll left align this, and I would write discount. Okay, let me center align it, and I'll write 50% off. I'll increase this 50% off, increase the size and make it a bit bold. I'll select it, go yonder, and I increase it, make it bold, something like that. Now this one, its Kinder has some text spacing. To do that, you are going to select it. Under here, the font, there's what we call the character spacing, adjusting the spacing between characters. Click it and choose very loose. It's getting out, just increase the width of the make it a bit to get something like that. Try a bit to increase this to like 34. Yep, make it a bit big. Okay, to get something like this, this is a bit big, which means I need to decrease this, also decrease this. Okay, let's go with that. Then let's work on this book now. Now also this is a rectangle with rounded corners, but the corners are a bit curved more than this one. You're going to see how to do that. Go to insert shapes, choose this rectangle with rounded corners, come and draw it. Now this one, the corners not sharp like this image. We need to make them sharp. And how do you do that? You click in this shape, you have this icon, you just long press on it and you move it inside. Then you have that curved corner. Click it, we need to change the background to the red. Click it, go to shape field, choose the red. Then we remove this line, the blue one, click it, let me minimize this. Here I'll choose no line. I have something like that. Then I will add the text book now. Click it, right click and choose edit text. Now write book now. I'll increase so that it fits. Then I'll make it bold, select it, make it bold. Increase so that it fits. Okay, I'll reduce the font size, that I make this a bit smaller. Yeah, let's go with that. Then we go to these ones. Now these ones, this is a circle, this is a circle, and this is an icon. I'm going to add a circle and I add this icon over the circle and so on. Go to insert, go to shapes, click the oval, come and draw it a bit smaller. Okay, and draw it to be the same size. Okay, I'll take that, change this color to the other red, then remove the shape outline to no. I have something like that. Then I'm going to add this icon, the telephone. Go to insert, I'll insert a picture. Click this device. Under here I have this PNG file. Make sure it is transparent. Click it, open it. Okay, it comes when it is too big. I'll reduce it. Reduce it. Reduce it till it fits there. Okay, still too big. Make it there. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to group these so that when I move this shape, it moves with this image. How to do that? You click first the shape, then you press Ctrl, you click also the image, so that both of them are selected. Then you right click in any of the selection, and then you go under group, you choose group. Now it becomes one. When I move it with the image. Yeah, then I'm going to add this text. I will just let me just duplicate this, bring it here, reduce the size, remove this glow effect. I'll add my phone number. Yeah, you can add any phone number you want. Okay, I'll move it a bit here. Okay, then let's add this. I'll select this and this, then I'm going to duplicate them under the same line. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this image. I click the image, double click here on the image. Then I'll have the picture format. I'll just go here to change picture. Click that from this file, choose the World Wide Web PNG. It will change. I come here, I make this okay. Give it any name. Okay, then these ones are plain white. Select this one and I also select this. Then I'll go to the font color, I choose white. Yeah. There, you are done. All you have to do is to export this, so that you get something like this. How do you do that? You go to File, you go under Export, choose Create PDF stroke XPSS. I'm going to export it in this Flyer 2. I'll go there and write Flyer 2. I'll publish. Then it will open in my default PDF editor. Yeah, and this is how it looks when it is exported. You can print this, you can print it. Yeah, that's how you can do a simple flyer for advertising your business in PowerPoint. Okay, thank you for watching the video. We'll meet in another video.